This video will explain the wiring procedures for the Mitsubishi Electric FR A800 general purpose inverter. First, loosen the screws on the lower front cover. Push down on the cover just below the fastening clip and pull the cover out towards you. Then, remove the wiring cover and remove the transparent cover. We will now wire the main circuit terminals and the control circuit terminals. This is how to wire the main circuit terminals. First, attach the power wires. Connect the power wires to terminals R, S, and T. Then, connect the ground wire. Do not connect the power wires to the U, V, and W terminals, as this will damage the inverter. Next, connect the motor to the U, V, and W terminals. Then, connect the ground wire. Once you have finished wiring the main circuit terminals, replace both the transparent and wiring covers. Next, we will wire the control circuit terminals. Use crimp terminals for control circuit wiring. Insert the wires into the terminals. When using twisted or solid wire instead of a crimp terminal, push the open-close button as far as it will go with a flathead screwdriver and then insert the wire. Attach the lower front cover once you have finished wiring the inverter. Ensure the cover clicks into place. Then, tighten the screws. This completes the wiring instructions.